कुछ समय पहले एक बड़ा इंटरव्यू हुआ था where there was a round table and all the leading actresses were there. वहां पर Me Too की बात छिड़ी and Rani Mukherjee surprisingly said that sexual harassment नहीं होगा और लड़कियों को टारगेट नहीं किया जाएगा अगर उन्हें मार्शल आर्ट्स या कराटे आता है. And we were all quite surprised. Social media was totally disappointed. और वहां पर दूसरी leading actresses भी थी, दीपिका अनुष्का, tried to explain their point of view on that.
Absolutely, they tried to say कि कैसे the blame doesn't have to come, the responsibility doesn't have to be on us. The responsibility has to be कि हमें कैसे सोसाइटी में रह सके जहाँ पर ऐसी नौबत ही ना आए. And finally we have a movement जहाँ पर हम ऐसे लोगों को name and shame कर सकते हैं because they can finally take ownership of their actions.
Absolutely.
And उस movement को respect नहीं किया गया.
और कराटे या मार्शल आर्ट्स अगर आपको आता है तो आपके ऊपर सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट नहीं होगा, ये गलत है. इट्स गुड टू लर्न हाउ टू सेल्फ डिफेंड योरसेल्फ. सेल्फ डिफेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट आप कहाँ रोक लगाओगे? If you talk about sexual harassment that happens in office, if it's with your boss, how can you, if there is something that happens with him, वहाँ पे आप कराटे दिखाकर तो आप निकल नहीं सकते ऑफिस से. So it is much more than that. It is a very vast topic. तो सिर्फ martial arts आना और self defense आना is not the solution to it. We have to look at the larger picture because sexual harassment, of course, is a huge topic. और अब finally Kangana Ranaut has come in support of Rani Mukherjee and I am quite surprised.
Very surprised. And kind of disappointed also because Kangana is somebody जो हमेशा she stands up to call out opinions जो ढंग से नहीं दिए जाते. And it was a huge platform, right? Like Rani is somebody जिसको हमने काफी सालों के बाद एक important topic पे बात करते हुए सुना था. And she wasn't bullied like Kangana said. She was actually, people were just disappointed and they were saying कि यार आपको opinion matter करता है और आप जब इतने बड़े stage पर आते हैं कुछ ऐसा बोलते हैं, people get, the victims start thinking कि शायद हमारी गलती होगी कि हमको martial art नहीं आता था या हमने strong step नहीं लिया. I think वो empathy was missing and that's why when Kangana also changes sides because Kangana is also somebody जो हमेशा से ऐसे like with an open mind she's come out.
Absolutely, she's spoken out loud and put out her views and opinions out there. इसी मुद्दे पर और बात करने के लिए we have content lead of Zoom, we have Rudrani Chaturaj with us. Hi Rudrani, welcome to Planet Bollywood.
हाय सागरिका, हाय गुंजन.
हाय रुद्रानी, हम आज प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड पर यही बात कर रहे थे दैट कंगना रनौत अब आई है सपोर्ट में, जो भी रानी मुखर्जी ने कहा ऑन मी टू मूवमेंट. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस पर?
पहले तो मैं आई थिंक जो कंगना ने कहा रानी के व्यूज पे उसको मैं थोड़ा कोट करना चाहूंगी. उन्होंने कहा कि इट्स सैड टू सी that a woman was getting bullied and trolled for the cause of women's empowerment. Maybe Rani was not able to articulate herself, but if you see the way she leads her life, she's the epitome of women's empowerment. And anyone who knows her wouldn't find her weak or timid, right? And so this is scary about the whole thing. Now, she's definitely one of those who lives up to it. Now, just analyzing what Kangana said on particular, in this particular matter, problem मुझे इन बातों से है कि if you see the way she leads her life, she's the epitome of women's empowerment and she was getting bullied and trolled. Either Kangana goes, I think, either she has not understood why Rani was getting the backlash because I don't think she was being bullied. Because bully तब होता है जब तुम nasty चीजें बोलते हो, लोगों को खराब चीजें बोलते हो. Maybe there were trolls who were writing, a lot of disgusting things which they anyways do. But maximum people, maximum people वहाँ पे ये बात बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे थे कि जो रानी, जो कि हमारे लिए like she said, epitome of women's empowerment है, जो कि इतनी influential है, उन्होंने जब इस तरह की बातें की, उन्होंने अवेयरनेस कम दिखाई इस मामले को लेके. ऐसा लगा कि उनको पता नहीं होता है कि एक जो सर्वाइवर होता है उस समय उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होता है, कितने सारे सर्कमस्टेंसेस होते हैं. तो while her intention might have been good, she clearly lacked awareness and that was disappointing क्योंकि वो, that is what people expect out of you, right? People want you to inspire them some way or the other. इतने लोग पढ़ते हैं आपके आर्टिकल्स को, इतने लोग आपके कोट्स को पढ़ते हैं, and there are so many people following Me Too stories and quotes around Me Too कि जरूरी होता है कि हम एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ इस बारे में बात करें. सही बात. और उसी बात पे आई थिंक कंगना को, आई थिंक हम कोई ये नहीं बोल रहा है कि हम रानी के एम्पावरमेंट या जो उन्होंने अपना काम किया है इस चीजों को हम भूल गए हैं. ये चीज है. Nobody takes away from the fact that she's a good actress, she's done great films, the way she's led her life. But does that mean that she's always right? No. Similarly, in the way probably Kangna could not understand that matter clearly. बाद में उन्होंने ये भी mention किया है कि अगर your safety does not mean that you can do taekwondo and karate. It also means that you can go to someone who can save you. Maybe it's a teacher or an uncle or a friend or a journalist. And then she again tells that so to tell them this and then get severely told for it is horrible. Now my point is, जो आपने कहा यहाँ पे कि safety does not mean taekwondo and karate, but this is exactly what Rani meant.
Exactly.
Rani, आप इस चीज को बोल रहे हो कि it also means that you can go to a teacher, you can go to an uncle. See, it's great, and we really hope that जब जैसे कि एक बार आलिया ने डिस्कशन में मेंशन किया था, जब तुम्हारे रिलेटिव ही तुम्हें अब्यूज कर रहा है तो वो जो सर्वाइवर होता है वो बहुत ही दुखी हो जाता है, राइट? कि मैं कहाँ जाऊँ, बिकॉज यू फील लेस प्रोटेक्टेड. तो उस टाइम पे what can they go and do? Like, can they really go ahead and tell someone? Should they tell someone? Absolutely. But do they feel protected enough? No. इसीलिए हम लोग इस environment को we have to make it non-toxic. We have to make it safe, ताकि these girls come forward and they are able to go to somebody and somebody who listens to them and somebody who will help them.
Yeah.
तो आपने ये कहा यहाँ पे कि to tell them this and then get severely told for it horrible. We are not telling that you should not go to someone for help. I don't think people have understood the entire backlash that Rani faced and the reason for it, and Kangna is one of them.
Yeah.
Kangna is one of the people who has not understood it because what she's saying here is very confusing. Kangna, who's been through her, always spoken about issues like this herself, right? Yeah. And she knows what it is, how Me Too as a movement is important, because she herself has said that she went through sexual harassment because Belle, harassed her, and she spoke about that. Yeah. तो उस वक्त आप क्यों नहीं बोल पाए? Because आप उस माहौल में थे, आप शॉक में थे. You were not empowered enough, right?
Yeah.
And today you found the space to talk about it. आप पे ही लागू होता है ये सेम चीज जो हम बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Right.
So that's exactly what I wanted to say.
Well, thank you so much for your views. Thank you.
थैंक यू रुद्रानी. वैसे सागा, अगर हम मीटू मूवमेंट के बारे में बात करें देन वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट अनदर इंसिडेंट आल्सो, जहां पर ठाकरे का एक प्रेस इवेंट चल रहा था एंड यहां पर वी हैड नवाज एंड अमृता राव सिटिंग इंटरैक्टिंग विद द मीडिया, जहां पर जूम के एक जर्नलिस्ट ने उनसे सिर्फ मीटू मूवमेंट पर उनके व्यूज जानने की कोशिश की एंड सडनली देयर वाज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ डिसरप्शन दैट हैपेंड. वी विल शो यू द क्लिप फर्स्ट, आप देखिए, खुद जज कीजिए एंड देन वी विल टॉक अबाउट दिस.
हाल ही में जो मीटू मूवमेंट चला था बॉलीवुड में, उस पे लेके आई वांट टू जस्ट नो, it's just I'm not asking anything, I just want their views, that's all.
Please, sorry. No.
But Amrita, I'm sure if as a woman you would want to answer, like just your views, I want to know your views, that's all, nothing else on it.
It's all about that.
Why
Please,
you're any
Yeah.
If she wants to answer, let her answer, I think.
मुझे instructions है ना ऊपर से, please.
यही तो प्रॉब्लम है. बॉलीवुड में अभी भी लोग मीटू को एक कंट्रोवर्सी के नजर से ही देखते हैं. नाउ वी कैन क्लियरली सी द पीआर कमेंट से कि नो देयर आर ऑर्डर्स फ्रॉम अबव कि आप इस पर कुछ बात नहीं कर सकते. वेल, यहाँ पर जर्नलिस्ट जो है संदेश, ही वाज ओनली ट्राइंग टू गेट द व्यूज ऑन मीटू बिकॉज दे आर इन्फ्लुएंशियल. लोग उन्हें सुनते हैं, अगर वो कहेंगे देयर विल बी अ चेंज, जो हम लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. बट मीटू को एक कंट्रोवर्सी के नाम पर नैरो कर दिया गया है एंड दैट इज quite saddening.
Absolutely, ये कोई डरने की चीज नहीं है कि आप इससे जितना दूर रहोगे उतना बेहतर है. इनफैक्ट आपको इसको embrace करना है, especially when you are powerful big actors. आपका एक opinion, आपका एक statement, it plays a big role in the movement. It plays a big role for that victim, for that survivor जिसने बहुत courage दिखाकर, और anybody who's reading up on these things, वो रोज सुनता है कि अरे there is hope, there is this actor also who has something like that to say, and you just took away that chance that you had. And very sadly, like you said, कि यार controversy नहीं है, it is a movement. And it's time for us to embrace it and not run away from it.
And we clearly saw Nawaz put his head down and not say anything. Amrita still tried to question that why can't I answer? क्योंकि इसमें इतना भी क्या खराब है? But obviously there were orders from above. You already pre-decided था कि आपके actors क्या कह सकते क्या नहीं. And it was quite sad to see that they couldn't express their opinions on the ongoing topic that is Me Too movement. And remember guys, it's not a controversy, it is a movement.